sentenced him to 20.
Saatchi and the ad council never saw this coming. Greatest icon for the law. Now the cell doors humming. Morales claimed non-violent, but the cash told more. Crime prevention spokesman with an arsenal to score. 16 years behind the bars. Costumes long retired. McGruff's good name in tatters. Actor's career expires. Couldn't take a bite. Ooh, couldn't take a bite. Couldn't take a bite. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Couldn't take a bite. Ooh, couldn't take a bite.
Crime takes a bite out of you.